Guys, naimbitahan na naman tayo dito. Malapit lang sa bahay nila Mandira. Ito pala yung bahay niya. Sabi ni Auntie, punta tayo dito. Tingnan mo yung mga laman niya. Ito naman yung mga halaman niya. Oh, very big. Yeah, this one, money plant.
Yeah.
Putos and chili.
Yeah.
Kursani. So I can come to your house?
Yeah.
Yeah. Doon na. Naimbitahan tayo dito pa. Uwi na nga tayo. Pero they are giving rent also.
Yeah, this down rent.
Ito yung baba. Teka lang, wala na tayong battery. So yun guys, dito tayo guys sa rooftop nila. Cat?
Yes, we have cat.
Ay, may pusa daw siya. Ito naman in the rooftop.
No, this one kitchen.
Her kitchen is in the rooftop, yeah?
She makes after this one.
Her children where?
Huh?
Her children.
One children America. One here going now.
Wow, very nice. Ganda ng kusina niya guys. Ang cute. Ang cute ng kitchen. Kitchen is very cute, ha? Yan yung kanyang mga masala. Yan guys. Oh, this very nice.
Some from India.
Very organized. Oh, and you can see there. Iba pala. One daughter.
Two sons. One son.
America.
2 years now America. He go study masters.
And one
bachelor finish. He want to go also.
America also. And this is where they are eating.
You see, this is snake plant. Very nice.
I-propagate niya.
She's professional farming also.
Mostly Nepali.
Yeah.
Mostly Nepali. Dito yung kanyang banyo. So, toilet means banyo in us. And here,
house of cat. I don't know.
where is the cat? Where is the cat? There is more? May rooftop pa siya. Matik. I will leave it here. Kaya tayo guys, may lababo. Dirty kitchen pa siya, oh. Ala, kaya tayo dito. You have neighbor soon. Ay, kakaiba. Wow! She have too many plants. Ay, hala. Maybe we can ask. I can buy. Wow. Hala. Ano pa pangalan? Ito 1 million babies ata. Ito, di ba guys? Oh. Ano nga ang pangalan nito kung tama ako? Gustong-gusto ko pa naman ito. 1 million babies. Tama ako, guys. Yung kamatis niya, oh. Tingnan nyo, guys. Hala. Ay, akala ko oregano. Hindi pala. Diyos ko, baka tatawagan na ako ng mag-aayos doon, guys. Kaya yun ang iniisip ko. What is this, Kyo?
This one
flower. And this one, kursani. Hala, grabe ang dami niyang kursani. Ramro. And you? Ayun, may rose pala siya, rose. Yan, rose. Muntala?
Yeah, this one
Muntala.
Small
Lemon.
like, orange small one. Small one.
Ay, hala, ang dami. Ay, hala, kuya, you can eat direct. Ayan, guys, yung parang orange na maliit. Yan. Ramro. Muntala, I like that one also. Pwede ba makahingi dito? Ito, this is nice. This is, what is this? Ay, ito pala siya, expert. See, may mga lemon siya also,
You see this one? And this is rosemary, very nice.
Yeah. Yan yung lemon. Kagate. Wow, ang bango-bango nito.
She put
Tingnan nyo, guys,
double jar.
Tinobol jar niya.
This one, another one.
Expert, this one. And you? Go?
This one, methi, you know?
Yeah, methi, yeah. You mito. Where she buy the
seed? Seed, you can buy grocery bazaar. This yellow, this one, what?
Bibili ako kaya. Yeah, the seed. Yeah, I will buy also.
You buy and then you get
Yeah. Ang cute ng kanyang garden dito.
You see this one? Yesterday,
she plant. Oh, yesterday methi,
Yeah.
Okay, Aile.
These are high, very good.
Yeah, this one. What? How you will, You drink?
This one, no, this sag.
The sagya, I'm buying, but now I think the season is finished. She will have never parsi also, she have now.
Parsi,
Yan, no, yung kanyang ano guys, so. Tawag nito. This also, meti. Fenugreek seeds, guys, fenugreek seeds. Ramro, oh. Ang lulusog. Dragon fruit. Oh, may dragon fruit din siya, oh. And you?
This one flower, some plant.
Ganda. Ramro, nice ah. May cat siya dito, kaya may mga bahay ng cat eh.
We have two, you see this one, long bean?
Kilong beans. The one,
long one.
they give us. Yeah, mayroon din kami nito ngayon.
This one too much running.
We will
You see egg.
Ayo, oh, siniperate na. Me, I will do the same.
Compost.
She's composing.
This cat come here and then
Make soup.
Kaka.
Auntie, same like me and daddy, we are composing also. So, ayun guys, baba tayo. So, ito yung kanyang surroundings dito, no? Yan, no? Bababa ka dyan. Kaso lang nakakaano guys. Auntie is too much high. I don't like to see. Parang first time ayokong tumingin guys kasi sobrang ano. Diyos ko Lord. Ang taas. Si auntie. Perfume. Tawa ko talaga guys. Pauwi na ako guys. Diyos ko Lord. Grabe pala ito magtanim din. Guys kahit saan kayo pumunta ng bahay. Lahat may mga tanim sila. Maaliw talaga kayo. You're looking for haircut?
Yeah.
Where is the cat? Maybe going somewhere.
Walk maybe.
So, andito kami guys, no? Hala, uuwi na ako talaga. Ala. Me, no. For me, no. Ay, for me, no need. Only for auntie.
No.
For me, no need. Ala.
She said you have to drink little. This one, this.
What is
cat,
this?
This
For the cat. How many cats she have?
She said mito coffee. Malaysian coffee.
Malaysian coffee. Alikati only. Maybe I cannot finish.
You can finish little.
Okay. Naiya naman ako. Pauwi na kami pero dumaan kami dito ni auntie sa kaibigan niyo. Nag-house tour tayo.
Bedroom bun dekha din par. This second floor
So ito yung room nila, oh. Wow. So ito yung room nila. And the sunroom?
down.
So ganito yung style ng kwarto. Her husband, where? Die.
He go office.
He's working.
He's sending people Malaysia.
Really? Age.
46 ba?
Yeah. She's older than me 2 years.
44 वैसे. वैसे रख देना नहीं.
So you'll not go?
44. Around 40 like this.
But
40.
become more old now. And they don't have plan to go America?
They want to go. Near going also.
Yung plastic na yan, lemongrass daw yan, tanglad daw yan. She get that one from you, yeah? Or she have? That is Ramro.
She have also here.
Oh? I buy seeds online.
Yeah. Why you buy? Before you not see out there.
Because, now I came, I want to get again, but thanks God. Sabi ko nga kukuha ako kay auntie, pero thanks God that your lemongrass they cut and I buy already. This is Ramro for pressure also. That is nice for high blood. Boiling. So, from Malaysia, coffee. Yan, nagkape naman tayo dito. Tea there, coffee, fruits. Every day I will come every day.
Yeah, you come every day, no problem.
Tawa ko guys. If I drink like this, maybe my stomach problem. But they said if you drink black coffee, sugar sugar China Ramro.
Me, I never drink with sugar.
Yeah, you plain.
She also throw. She also throw. gallbladder. This one you eat it, huh?
Tawa ko kay auntie, oh. Tinapon na daw yung gallbladder niya. She throw her gallbladder. Where in her garden? Upo ako kan. She remove her gallbladder. When?
Maybe how many years now? 9 years. 9 years, 10 years.
Oh, stone cha.
स्टोन थियो
How many?
4-5 वटा सानो
5, 6.
13 को गिरा जत्रै थियो
Me 7. I'm more than her. Pito naman sa akin. 7. Pita.
6 वटा पिता निकाल
Now okay?
Okay.
ओके
Now okay guys. Okay. She have gallbladder. Me no gallbladder. No gallbladder. Very common. Very common.
Normal this one, all.
Anyhow, gallbladder no use in our body. Useless. Okay?
That's why they throw. That's why doctor throw.
We will compose. We'll put in the garden. Then they will biopsy this one. Yeah, they will check.
But okay.
No dinner later.
Only coffee and then tea and
Next time I come to you, then which house you will go house tour?
Okay. Go run to the house, another house, we run to the house.
मलाई बिस्कुट
Oh, no.
हामीले त्यहाँनिर परोठा
Parota.
दिदी आउनु भएको रहेछ
Busy ako guys. Walang content now. Nakadami tayong content.
अब किन जाउँ न बिग मार्टिन पुरा हुन्छ जाउँ बस्नु आउँदैन
कतिखेर आउनुलाई
है आउने छिटो भने तिम्रो अब के हामीलाई पछि
Kasi guys, dito, pag pumunta kayo sa mga bahay-bahay, kailangan you will drink tea. If you go to other house, then after this, if she tell me to go other house, they will make us tea.
this one culture of
Culture.
Yeah.
So, kailangan tea kahit hindi ka
Tea
inom.
welcoming tea,
Yeah,
coffee.
that is how they will welcome you. But then, my eyes is looking here. Oh, my eyes is looking here only. Nice.
Yeah.
Expert daw ito guys. She's expert.
Expert for plant.
Yeah, expert for plant. At least next time I know which house you will go, which house you can ask plant.
After 15 days, if come there, up all chilli too much there.
Yeah.
मैले पछि खुर्सा राख्दै हुन्छ मिलाएर ल्याइदिनु
That time she will call and then make
पर्छ
it.
रेड
After red chilli, that time.
Yeah. Now it's nice. We can Ganda ng mga tanim niya, no? Nice her house. Then they are giving rent. No.
Down, they give. But the second floor,
For them.
लास्ट फ्लोर
Every time I pass here, this is your house. I don't know.
when I make house,
Oh.
this our house building, that time I say down.
Oh.
This down floor, rent.
Them.
Me.
You're renting here?
Yeah, when our house building, that
okay.
time.
Sila ni auntie nagre-rent pala dito, no? Ano guys, nag-ano sila, nagpapagawa sila ng bahay. It's good that your house is here and your friend house is here. That's why we become friends. Kaya pala naging magkaibigan sila. But she's not going gym.
She going.
She going?
Same. Before we going same gym.
Now they
But she go now there. There's been I go there have one gym.
yeah, Mandira saw them
There,
sometimes.
this husband wife going there.
Different gym now. Where is the other friend? The other friend?
Their same house. This my house neighbor. For her
So
house.
next time we'll go there. Not now because maybe again.
Yeah, today not enough
May
also.
pupuntahan tayo next na bahay, guys. Next
Next time.
interesting this one.
For her house, if you go, she talking too much. Very funny. Very funny. She is.
Kasi guys, kilala ko. I know her friends also, like Didi. So I can call her Didi. Because she's older than me. Yeah, and she will call me also just Mila. Yeah. Because we almost like only 2 years gap. But she's my auntie, but she's younger than me. But what to do? It's because of the culture. I have to call her auntie. But it's sometimes I feel awkward, you know, because I'm older than you. She's young, and I'm calling her my auntie.
No problem.
Because of the culture, guys, I have to call her auntie. Yeah? And uncle is younger than me also. Uncle, how old?
Uncle, maybe 44, uncle.
We are same age.
Same maybe.
Yeah. Like sometimes Bauju, Binda Bauju is younger than me. Like
Yeah, Binda
Rupa.
Bauju older than me.
Yeah, like Rupa, I have to call her Didi, but she's more younger than me. Yeah, because of the culture. Yun guys, sometimes the problem. But this is okay. So I feel comfortable calling her Didi because that's why most of the time I'm asking guys their age, how old, like that.
But no problem.
But how old are they? I think 35.
Who?
You?
Me, 39.
Oh, 39. So I will be 45.
But not looking old.
No. The genes of... See, look, she's 46. The genes. But Nepalese strong. Ay, ayan yung kung saan siya guys nagdadasal, guys. Yan. So, dito guys, pababa na tayo. May neighbor na siya dyan. Ito yung baba ng bayan. Ah, your husband and your son?
Here.
Your son of Buita.
Where?
Son, a small son.
Oh, where is the one from America? Oh, Ramro, Choro. Handsome. Yan yung anak niya guys. Oh, sa Amerika. And ito yung Sano. Ito naman yung bata, yung bunso.
You want to see room?
Handsome. The room? Gwapo naman anak niya. Ito kwarto ng anak niya guys. Your son. And you? Ay, parang extra room siya. Ito kwarto daw ng mga anak niya. Oh. Nag-house tour tayo dito. Ang dilim.
Another room.
Ah, this your son. Son room. Guitar. He like guitar. Ah, gusto daw ng anak niya gitara. Piano. Ramro. And this one?
Guest room.
Guest room. Ay, too much room they have.
Yeah.
Ah, guest room. Ang dilim. Ayan. Okay na yan. Ramro. Overall Ramro.
Thank you.
And you?
This is my mother.
Your mother.
Your sister.
Big
No,
sister.
big sister.
Second sister.
Second.
She is the son.
Third.
You?
Ma.
Muti.
Yeah.
Moti.
This one is mother.
Very young. Very young.
America. America.
No, she's in America. Your sister? Oh, Ramro.
Pero,
Ay, ang ganda niya. When she is young, more pretty. Even now.
pero kahit sa balik ko.
Wedding. Wedding ng kanyang sati.
Small sister.
Small sister niya.
Married right. Pero थोड़ा छोरा. अघि
Where?
छोरा उयो.
Ito na yung big son
Krishna
niya pala.
Astami. Krishna mana? Krishna.
Oh, okay. Ramro. May manpower kasi sila guys, ito yung asawa niya.
She have any place money plant. That's why she have too much.
Yeah, that's why we have to keep more money plant. Ito, renting niya. Give renting. How many room? 3?
Before I take this one in this one room.
Si auntie before. And you, room also? Garage naman.
She have EV.
What, car?
Yeah.
Oh, where is the car now? Ah, she's used the husband. Ah, nice.
Cute.
So, ito na yung kanyang mga ano.
BYD gadi.
BYD. Ito yung garage. Bye-bye! Direct go outside. Bye-bye. Thank you.
This car
What means?
charging. This is chargeable.
Ah, rechargeable pala yung sasakyan nila. Kaya ito, oh.
This one 70 lakh. 70 lakh this car.
So, ayun guys, ganda. No, auntie, no? Nice. Very expensive the car ba? 70 lakh?
Yeah.
Very expensive.
They
At
order
least,
from India. Oh, how many?
guys, dito na ako sa bahay. Tingnan nyo naman, hanggang ngayon wala kaming kuryente. Oh my God. Ilang oras na ito, guys. Kanina pa siguro ito mga bago ako umalis. Nag-brown out na siya nung nandito pa si Mandira, guys. Ang haba ng brown out sa lugar namin. Sa kanila ni Auntie Mandira, meron silang, siguro nawala itong ilaw na ito kanina, mga 11:30. Hanggang ngayon, wala pang ilaw, guys. Mag-alas 5 na, or alas 5 na siya. So, kaya, ayun. Hindi lang dito, guys, ha, sa amin. Doon din sa mga binibilhan ko ng mga gulay sa kanila ni Didi, walang ilaw, guys. So, andito na tayo sa bahay at saka worth it naman yung ating pag-iikot dahil nakakuha tayo ng mga seeds. Although, alam ko naman na bibigyan nila talaga ako ni Mandira ng mga seeds. Pero ka Auntie, wala siya. Iwan ko, saan kaya nakuha ni Uncle yung Yung pinost niya ng mga mint leaves, guys, may nakikita na ako atang higad, guys. Ay, hindi. Kasi may mga itlog minsan itong wall. So, ayan, at magre-refill pa tayo ng tubig. Pero since walang, walang kuryente. Ay, meron na, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan na, meron na. Thanks, God. Praise the Lord. Kailangan ko pang mag-on ng guys, ng tubig namin. Magre-refill tayo. At saka, pupunta dito yung mag-ayos ng filter namin. May sira itong filter namin. Ayan. Dahil nasira ito, so, ipapaayos. And magsasaing ako. Kasi ngayon, guys, ang ginagawa ko, hindi ko na binibigyan si Johan ng pang snacks. Bali, ang ginagawa ko, guys, nagluluto na ako ng para sa dinner. And para pagdating niya, kakain na lang siya. Kasi ang dating ni Johan dito, mga 6:30 na. So, hindi na yung time na pang snacks. So, yun ang ginagawa ko. Nagdi-dinner na siya direct. So, inahanda ko na. Masaya yan, guys, si Auntie. Sama nyo sa mga ganyan-ganyan. Mag-house tour talaga yan si Auntie. Kaso lang kung saan yan naman ako kanina dinala. At bumili ako ng parang mulasag ito Yan, paborito ni Dipa. Kaya bumili na ako. And may sukli ako kay Didi na 20 rupees. Kaninang umaga. So, 20 rupees na. Danya. Ayan, kinuha ako. And then, bumili ako ng sausage para kayuhan. So, thanks God, may ilaw na kami. And ngayon pa lang ako mag-i-eat. Pero magsasaing muna ako, guys. Para pagdating niyon may rice na. And lulutuin ko itong sausage. Ito pala yung seeds. Yung kulitis na seeds na bigay sa akin. Tanim natin ngayon yan. And then, ito yung iba't ibang klaseng seeds na binigay sa akin. And from the government ito. Ayan, itong green, okra yan. Ito yung red, ano ito? Yung balatong. Yan. Ito, cucumber. Ito, cucumber daw ito. Ito, kalabasa. So, itatanim natin yan. Ito naman yung kulitis, guys. Ibubudbud natin yan. Yan. So, ayun. Guys, andito na ako, guys, sa aming tinutulugan. Si Johan, nanonood siya ng kanyang mga gustong panoorin sa YouTube. So, sabi ko, hinaan niya muna dahil ako ay mag-i-end lang ng aking vlog for today. So, maraming salamat po muli. Pasensya na kayo, hinati ko yung ating mga videos dahil sa sobrang haba. Dahil marami kaming napuntahan ni Auntie. So, ayun guys, bago ko end yung aking vlog, gusto ko muli magpa-thank you sa inyong lahat. So, ayun, malapit na ang Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day sa mga kapwa ko nanay and sa mga nanay na nagiging tatay. Happy Mother's Day po sa ating lahat. Mabuhay po tayo. So, ayun guys, and tomorrow, Mother's Day na dito sa Nepal. Mas nauuna ang Mother's Day dito. Kasi nga, iba ang kalendaryo nila, diba? So, ayun, again, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga vlogs natin. Hayaan nyo, sa next na naman tayo ng mga bahay pupunta. Mag-house tour tayo para ma-share ko rin sa inyo yung style ng pamumuhay nila dito and yung style ng bahay nila dito, guys. And yung mga garden para makakuha tayo o makahingi tayo ng mga iba pang mga pangtanim. So, nagigets ko na kung bakit ang aking binan na babae, bigla siyang nawawala dito sa bahay, bigla siyang pag-uwi, may mga dala na siya. Parang sa atin din, katulad din kay Buwa, guys. Si Buwa naman iba, nag-walking si Buwa pag tanghali, pero minsan bumibili siya ng halaman since hindi siya katulad ni Ama. Si Ama talaga, guys, bihira siya bibili ng mga halaman. Pupunta lang talaga siya sa mga bahay-bahay kung saan-saan. Basta, guys, pag uwi, alam nyo na yan, may mga bit-bit na si Ama. Parang tayo din, no? Parang noon naalala ko yung mama ko, pupunta siya sa kumarin niya. Pag uwi, may mga halaman na ring dala. So, ayun guys, i-end ko na yung vlog. Bakit ako nagaganito? Kasi medyo malamig na naman ngayon. Gawa nga na umaulan dito for 2 days. And sana din umulan sa Pilipinas. Yung tamang ulan lang na kahit paano maibsan yung init dyan sa atin. Alam ko kung gaano kainit, guys. And doon sa village, same guys ang init at you. So, ingat kayo dyan and mag-ingat tayong lahat. And God bless us all and I love you. Good night, guys. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat.